welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Jimin's Face albums. It took a really long time for me to get these albums. I think Weverse changed their shipping providers. It shipped Korean Post and then USPS, so it took a lot longer to get here and it took a lot longer to say it's in transit from shipping soon to in transit. It got here today. It is April 11th. If I'm speaking fast, my camera's about to die. I don't know why. It was charged and now it's dying. I make unboxing videos, but they're not the traditional you're seeing my hands, you see my face, because I think that's more fun. And also, if you don't have anyone to unbox with, maybe you can unbox with me. I don't know. I decided to do this after Proof. So for all of BTS's albums, I did it for TXT. I didn't do it for Jack in the Box just because they were really tiny. But yeah, I'm hoping to continue this. Let's go. I have the global pob as well as the 2 photo books and the weverse album. I don't know if you can see this photo card, but it is so pretty, and it's also a hollow, so well, it looks hollow. I don't know if these are random or not. I haven't really looked into it, but oh my god, they're so pretty. Go on, but here's the hollow card. This is just a concept card. Super pretty. The cute little stand thing that has come with all of Solo so far, and then cute little frames, which I love. I've been needing more of these frames to put photo cards in. So this is a black one and a white one, and they both say face on them, and they're just frames. I go in, I guess, with the Weverse album first. I actually really like the Weverse albums. I think they're really cute, and I like how inexpensive they are. Also, if you don't listen to the albums on Weverse, I highly recommend. The quality is really good, just because it's been obviously uploaded from the source itself. I pushed down on it and I didn't know that it sunk in, and it kind of broke it. I don't know, it's gonna be hard to see, but it's a mirror. It opens like this. Opens like this. I don't know what these photo cards look like. Okay, Weverse card kind of opens like this. The lyric paper, cute. We have the photo book, which is just a little mini photo book. I'm gonna focus. So cute. Just little photos. I absolutely love seeing the difference between each member's Weverse album. Oh, his little notebook. That's so cute. I have the Weverse card, and then we have the Weverse postcard, which has on the back the QR code for my Weverse album. And then we have the photo card. Wait, this is so cute. Oh my god. So cute. So that is the Weverse album. They're super simple, but still nice. Now we're gonna go into Face. I actually have one of the versions. I think I have the undefinable. I have this one. So we're gonna open this one first, since I already know. I have the piece, the heart one, where he goes like this already. Any of them will do, but I can always trade. Okay. So we have the CD, and it's in this cute little pink thing. Yeah, the CD. Obviously I'm not really going to show you the postcard because, or the actual photo book, because you probably will find a better unboxing, but super pretty. This is the dark concept. This is the I think I already have this postcard already, but that's the postcard. And I also have this large postcard as ready, but that's the large postcard. We're gonna go. Okay, so these are the photo cards that you get, which I already have these. The 3 concept photo cards, I guess. And this is the random PC, and I don't have this one, so I'm really excited. So cute. Now we're gonna go on to the next one, which I don't remember the name of this one. Sorry guys, I'm not a version name rememberer at all. I still don't really remember a lot of the other ones. I just know they have version names. It has like a golder tint to it. Go in. Ah, this is the large postcard. I don't have this one. Super cute. Well, focus, I don't know. Cute. Oh, nothing giving me 2 postcards. I hope they didn't stinge me on photo cards. They didn't. 2 postcards of the same thing. Nice. The CD, it's in white this time, are the photo cards you get in the album. Here they are, super cute. And then we have the photo card. Oh my god, guys. Sorry, I'm quiet. I didn't want to scream. This is the peace sign one. This is the one don't have, and I got all of them. I don't have to trade. Bless the world. Oh, so cute. This album is so good. Like, I'm really proud of Jimin, and I'm proud of, you know, this album that he made, and he got #1 on Billboard, which is so great. Yeah, I'm just proud of him. He works really hard and deserves the world. And yeah, this album was really great. Go listen to Like Crazy. I've been telling everyone to listen to it because I feel like it's a song that a lot of people would like. It's a very pop song, hence K-pop. But that is this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love doing these videos, and I know not a lot of people like ones where I show you my face and not really show you the product, but I really love these sit down ones, honestly. I'm gonna find the moon tattoo photo. Oh, of course, it's like in the fold. But yeah, that's Jimin's face. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.